So hello, welcome everyone to it's a welcome again on Seagull Live. Okay, so where we discuss about upcoming opportunities, global opportunities in Gulf countries and international countries. It's me, Aditi Kadam, team leader in Seagull International. So before going ahead with the requirements, let's go ahead about the Seagull. Seagull International is a human resource consultancy. Since 1985, we have completed 40 years of excellent service in human resource. We have also been certified by ADNOC ICV certification. It's the biggest workforce provider. So Seagull International is LLP in the ISO certified global human resource consultancy, which is headquarter is in Mumbai. Okay, we also been minister approved by the Ministry of External Affairs of Government of India. We have our branches in Cochin, New Delhi, Vadodara, Chennai, Vizag, Kolkata, and we have our international branches in UK, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, and Lithuania. So you can connect us through our website. It's a seagalljobforyou.com. You can scan the QR code, fill the details, and share your CV over there. Our recruiters will get touch to you. Then we have our Facebook pages where we keep on uploading our upcoming opportunities through our artwork. So that you can connect to us there. You can scan the QR code and get your job done. We also have a Telegram page. Same procedure, you have to scan the QR code. You will get the requirements. Whichever requirement you feel suitable for yourself, just share your CV on the given email address. Our Instagram page is also available. It's a Seagull _International _LLP. You can scan the QR code and share your CV on there, and the recruiters will get touch on you with the requirement. We have a domestic page also. It's a Seagull staffing group. Same procedure for that. You have to scan the QR code, and the recruiters who find you suitable for the given opportunity, they will contact you. So let's go ahead with our first opportunity. It's a job opportunity. It's an oil and gas offshore project. It's a free recruitment and online interview in progress. They're looking for mechanical technician, valve, and instrument technician. And the third opportunity is PSV technician, is like pressure and safety and valve. Okay, they're looking for a candidate who hold offshore and oil and gas experience, and they're looking for a candidate who hold diploma or ITS certification with 5 to 7 years of experience in oil and gas industry. Great salary plus free food and accommodation is provided by the company, and the candidate who are interested can share your CV on Seagull Qatar 2026 @gmail.com. Next slide. Okay, so we have another opportunity for Lampril UAE. Okay, it's a project free recruitment. It's a client interview on 5th of April in Gujarat. They are looking for candidates who like welder, who hold a SWAP or FCAP or 6G or 6GR certification. Another welder, FSWAP certification, then pipe fabricator, then structure fabricator. Looking for a candidate who are around 5 to 10 years of experience in respective field. The free food and accommodation is provided by the company, and candidate who are interested want to attend this interview, please go to Gujarat at given address, and you can share your CV in job.seagallinternational@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, it's the same requirement. Lampril only. The interview is this time in Navi Mumbai. Anup Tech is on 9th of April 2026. Okay, the candidate who are interested nearby can attend the interview. And for the Mumbai candidates, share your CV resume 1 at seagulhr.com. Or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have same Lampril opportunities available in South at Kalamasari. They are looking for as a client interview on 11th of April. Okay, it's a free recruitment as I mentioned earlier. Welders can also apply. The candidate who holds respective experience of about 5 to 10 years in oil and gas industry can share your CV. For Cochin site, the email address where you have to share is seagullcochin@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given over there. Okay, next slide. Okay, so we have Lampril interviewing Vizag as well, is on 7th of April. So the candidate who are nearby Vizag location can share your CV on the given email address like Seagull Vizag CVs @gmail.com, or also you can scan the QR code given above for more details. Okay, so we have another opportunity for Dubai. Is international hiring free recruitment online interview. The opportunity is TSA applicator come spray painter they are looking for. Numbers are they're looking for 25 candidates. Should hold Gulf experience in painting division. Attractive salary and free food is provided by the client and candidate who are interested applying for the Dubai. Share your CV in Seagull UA 2026 at gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. So we have opportunity for Oman job. It's hiring one of the leading contracting companies in Gulf industry. It's looking for oil and gas pipeline flow line project. They're looking for quantity surveyor in mechanical background and quantity in QC inspector in painting and coating multi. The company is SAS. SAS Oman client is looking for this opportunity. Attractive salary, free food and accommodation provided by the company. And for quantity surveyor, they're looking for a candidate with diploma and degree in technical engineering field, certified in quality surveyors with a minimum experience in the grade of around 3 to 4 years of experience in the given field. There's approval of PDO and OCD, so contracting profile preferable, familiar with it. And for QC inspector painting and multi, they're looking for a BE or diploma holder with BGAS certification level 2 and qualified. And NAC qualification level 2 is also mandatory. Okay, candidate who having great experience should share your CV. Looking for this opportunity, please take the opportunity. It's great for you. Interested candidates, share your CV and resume one at seagulhr.com, or you can also scan QR code for more details. Okay, so we have another opportunity for Oman job. It's a free recruitment online interview, and they're looking for candidate. They're looking for the positions are like civil supervisor or slash permit holder. Then another requirement is civil engineer. Then hydrotest engineer pipeline, hydrotest supervisor or foreman. Then civil engineer and geologist. They're looking for a candidate who hold experience in oil and gas industry. Gulf experience is at most mandatory. Experience should have experience. Engineers should have degree and supervisor foreman diploma is mandatory for them. Okay, oil and gas pipeline project experience is most important. Free recruitment. Interested candidates share your CV and resume one at seagullhr.com, or you can also scan the QR code given over there. Okay, so we have another opportunity for Oman location. It's an online interview. It's a plant and equipment division company. They're looking for a supervisor heavy equipment, auto electrician heavy equipment, patching plant electricians. Okay, number is different. Then batching plant mechanic, then batching plant operator, mechanic and earth moving heavy equipment, mechanical light vehicle, mechanic engine, tire man heavy equipment or heavy duty, then electrician at auto to auto AC. All candidates should hold experience around 5+ years of experience in heavy equipment or opportunity or earth moving or light vehicles. Attractive salary, free food accommodation provided. Candidate who interested in Oman job can share your CV and resume one at seagullhr.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have upcoming campaign. It's a face-to-face client interview in Chennai on 10th of April for NBDC Saudi Arabia. They're looking for a candidate who hold oil and gas industry experience in construction background. The project are as follow. They're looking for engineer mechanic on piping, then supervisor in mechanical or piping, then foreman mechanic and piping, then electrical engineer, then electrical supervisor, electrical foreman, then instrumentation supervisor, instrumentation foreman, structure engineer, structure foreman, NDT operator, QS ENI, then structure supervisor, then QS piping mechanic, scheduler, foreman rigging, foreman erection, electrical foreman, welding foreman, then mechanical foreman, document controller, QC document controller, electrician, and equipment erection supplements. It's a client interview in Chennai, in a Seagull Chennai office. Candidate who are interested, want to apply, share your CV in seagullch.ksa@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code so that our recruiter can contact you. Okay, so its NBTC campaign is also been held in Cochin on 11th of April. Candidate who are in nearby our Cochin office can also attend this interview on 11th April. The candidate who are interested, share your CV for NBTC Seagull Cochin at gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so it's another requirement for NBDC's Abu Dhabi project. It's a client interview in the March in Vizag. Sorry, they're looking for HSE officer, structure supervisor, supervisor rigging, millwright supervisor, piping foreman, rigging foreman, reinstallation foreman, welding foreman, structure foreman, and static or rotating foreman. There's an NBTC requirement. They're looking for a candidate who hold oil and gas construction experience. The all candidate must hold diploma or ITI in equipment means equivalent qualification with GCC experience is mandatory. Then attractive salary, free food and accommodation provided by the company and client who are interested can share your CV in Seagull Vizag CVs@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have another Qatar job. It's a shortlisting in process. It's a free recruitment and oil and gas construction project. They're looking for admin manager. Admin manager, they're looking for proper bachelor degree in business administration or management or related field. Well, hand-on experience in camp and catering management grievances. Handling experience is mandatory. Then they're looking for division manager, which is a facility management. They're looking for a candidate who hold experience of facility management or division management and manage a full space facility operator for constructions. Like experience in GCC country or Qatar, majorly infrastructure or stadium projects is add-on advantage. Knowledge of CFM or ERP system is great. Then they're looking for executive secretary, bachelor degree in business administrator or relevant field, 15 plus years of experience as on execution secretary executed. Then a large construction or EPC company experience is mandatory. It's a hand-on advantage for them. First two positions should have Gulf experience in oil and gas construction and similar industries. Attractive salary plus free food and accommodation provided. Candidate who are interested in this requirement can share your CV in Seagull Qatar 2026 @gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above so that our recruiter get connected to you. Okay, so we have another opportunity for NBTC Abu Dhabi. It's a client interview held in Cochin shortly. Then they're looking for HG driver, bomb truck driver, then trailer driver, then mobile crane operator. Driver minimum 5 years of oil and gas construction industry experience with valid UAE license, and operator around 5 years of experience in oil and gas construction industry is there. Only in GCC valid license to 4 to 5 years is mandatory. Attractive salary, free food accommodation provided. Candidate who are interested in this requirement, share your CV in seagullcoaching@gmail.com. Okay, so we have another opportunity for Saudi Arabia. It's a oil and gas construction project. They're looking for millwright fitter, millwright foreman, piping supervisor, welding foreman, electrical foreman, pipe fitter, sorry, fabricator, structure fitter, scaffolding supervisor, CIRS, then scaffolding foreman, structure supervisor, rigging supervisor, HSE officer, NIBOSH. Visa is utmost ready for Saudi Arabia. Attractive salary, free food accommodation provided by the company and Gulf experience is mandatory in oil and gas construction field. Candidate who are interested in this requirement, share your CV in seagullcoaching@gmail.com. It's a walk-in interview on 13th of April 2026. The candidate should go to coaching office and get the opportunity, get good use of this opportunity. Okay, so we have another Qatar job. It's a free recruitment. It's a virtual interview shortly. They're looking for senior finance manager. The senior finance manager, they're looking for a CA with more than 15 years of experience. Then employing a management or senior manager is a employing manager or senior manager in a large construction company can also apply. Then they're looking for division manager like facility management. In this, they're looking for experienced candidate facility management or division management, manage full spectrum facility operations. Okay, Gulf experience or Qatar major infrastructure stadium project knowledge is a great advantage. Then they're looking for a secretary, executive secretary, who hold bachelor degree in business administration related relevant field or 15 plus years of experience in the execution of secretary or assistants in a large construction of EPC or EPC company. GCC experience is mandatory for all manager positions. Attractive salary plus free food and accommodation provided. Candidate who are interested in this requirement for Qatar job, share your seat for resume one at seagulhr.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have another great opportunity for Saudi Arabia. It's an immediate departure and online interview in progress. It's for NBTC. They're looking for QAQC inspector batching plant, QAQC inspector building, QAQC inspector civil, then QAQC inspector ENI, QAQC inspector electrician, electrical, QAQC inspector equipment, QAQC inspector in instrumentation, and QAQC inspector in mechanical, QQC inspector in painting and coating, and then inspector in piping, then QQC inspector in plumbing, and PWHT. They're entirely looking for inspector roles like RTFI or RTR. Then also looking for QQC inspector in steel structure and welding inspector. They're also looking for. Then mechanical manager, QAQC mechanical manager. Then supervisor roles comes in. They are looking for building supervisor, civil QAQC supervisor, mechanical supervisor, piping and coating supervisor, piping and QAQC supervisor, procurement supervisor, and welding supervisor. All the candidates should hold degree or diploma in engineering field. Minimum 5 years of oil and gas construction experience is mandatory. Attractive salary, free food and accommodation provided by the company, and candidate who are interested in this requirement share your CV and resume one at seagulhr.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have another opportunity for Saudi Arabia. It's a catering. It's an immediate departure in our leading oil and gas construction project. Online interviews in progress. They're looking for catering manager, project manager mechanic, site manager mechanic, structure manager, project control manager, warehouse manager, and chef. They're looking for candidate who hold degree or diploma experience, mostly degree and diploma engineering in 5 to 10 to 5 or 15 years of experience in oil and gas construction industry. Gulf experience is mandatory. Candidate who are interested in this requirement share your CV and resume one at seagullhr.com, or you can also scan the QR code. So we have another job opportunity for Oman location. It's a free requirement. They're looking for candidates for around QC inspector civil, QC inspector welding, QC inspector painting and coating, and then QC inspector multi. Certification ASMT or ENI 43 and PCN level 2, RTR, PT, MT, and UT technique, big as painting level 2, and equipment needs coating inspector level 2, and equipment certification by any NEES International CIP, BG, or A72 or equipment is mandatory. 10 to 15 years of experience in inspection and QAQC advice for oil and gas in this project. All candidate must hold a Gulf experience in oil and gas pipeline construction project. Candidates should hold provide around it's a PDO World project approval. So candidate who are interested in this requirement share your CV to seagullcoaching@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have next opportunity for it's for Abu Dhabi. It's a advanced petro. The company is Advanced Petro Services. It's an online interview. They're looking for ENI engineer position. They're looking for a candidate who hold experience in around 6+ years of experience. Gulf experience in oil and gas industry mandatory. Engineer should hold BE instrumentation engineer degree. Attractive salary plus free food and accommodation provided. And commissioning experience is mandatory for this project. Candidate who are interested in this requirement share your CV and resume one at seagullhr.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have another opportunity for Saudi Arabia. It's for an oil and gas construction project. It's like millwright fitter, millwright foreman, piping supervisor, welding foreman, electrical foreman, pipe fitter, then fabricator, structure fitter, scaffolding supervisor, CIRS, scaffolding foreman, structure supervisor, and then rigging supervisor, and HSC Nebosh. Visa is almost ready. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation is provided. Candidate should hold oil and gas construction project experience, and Gulf experience is mandatory. Candidate who are interested in this requirement share your CV and resume one at seagullhr.com, or you can also scan the QR code. Okay, so we are looking for sales officer in Abu Dhabi country. It's a leading international oil and gas project. It's a free recruitment. Salary is up to 7,000 plus fat is provided. They're looking for candidates who hold 2 to 3 years of oil and gas sales experience in UAE or any GCC country, EPC project and sales exposure, strong client handling and negotiation skills is good. Then UAE driving license is preferable. Candidates should hold diploma or BE mechanical preferable. Candidates who are interested in this requirement can share your CV to Shobha at seagulhr.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Then we have a next opportunity for NBDC UAE project. It's a large project. Shortlisting is in process. They are looking for mechanical helper. Okay, salary is around 850 basic. It's a 8 hours duty plus daily OT, free food, accommodation, transportation, on the spot offer. No normal medical is there. 0 to 2 years of experience in construction can apply this project maintenance or any industrial environment. Okay, the contract Seagull, it's in Barodra office immediately along with your CVs plus documents. So the candidate who are nearby Delhi office or Barodra office can share your CV to Seagull Delhi 1 at gmail.com. You can also scan the QR code given above. Or you can also visit a Barodra office for this requirement. Then next we have Abu Dhabi project. It's a leading oil and gas project. Okay, they're looking free recruitment. Is they're looking for QC inspector civil. The salary which they are providing is around 6,500 to 7,000 dirham. It's they're looking for candidate at least 5 plus years of experience in oil and gas industry. The BE civil engineer experience degree is mandatory, and Gulf experience is at most important. Free food and accommodation provided. Candidate who are interested in this requirement, share your CV and resume one at seagullhr.com. Or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have another job opportunity for Qatar. It's a large requirement leading oil and gas construction project. They're looking for a coordinator transport, equipment controller, mechanic, crane and man lift, document controller, data entry operator. This requirement is for Gulf Asia. The candidate who are interested in this requirement, share your CV on Seagull Qatar 2026 at gmail.com, or you can also share your CV on you can also scan the QR code given above. Remember, they're looking for a candidate who hold construction experience as well, should hold experience transportation plant and heavy equipment. Is the experience is mandatory for this requirement. So we have another Qatar job. It's like large requirement, oil and gas construction project. They're looking for project scheduler. So then supervisor quantity ENI, PNE electrical inspector. The candidate should hold experience, should hold degree or diploma in engineering plus Gulf experience in oil and gas construction project is mandatory. Free food and accommodation provided by the client and the candidate who are interested in this requirement can share a CV to seagullch.qatar at gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we this Gulf Asia requirement again came up. Is a large requirement. They're looking for coordinator transport, equipment controller, mechanic, crane or man lift, document controller, data entry operator. Candidate who are interested can visit our Cochin office, or you can share your CV on seagullcochin at gmail.com. You can also scan the QR code for more details. Okay, so we have another job opportunity for Qatar. It's online interview. It's a project. They're looking for project scheduler or quantity super surveyor ENM. The candidate should hold degree or diploma in engineering plus Gulf experience in oil and gas construction project is mandatory. Free food accommodation is provided by the client and candidate who are interested in this requirement. Share your CV to Seagull Qatar 2026 at gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have another great large requirement for Qatar job. It's an online interview. It's a leading oil and gas construction project. They're looking for senior officer, HR or admin, coordinator environment, coordinator HSC trainee, then interface coordinator, permit coordinator, site coordinator, field engineering, then piping test package engineer, planning plant and insulation engineer, planning piping engineer, planning structure engineer, planning project control engineer, QAQC ENI engineer, QAQC mechanical engineer, QAQC painting engineer, QAQC piping engineer, rigging engineer, scheduling engineer, telecommunication engineer, welding engineer, then instrument foreman and painting foreman. Remember, for all this requirement, candidates should hold degree or diploma in engineering is mandatory. Gulf experience in oil and gas construction project and free food accommodation is provided by the client. Candidates who are interested in this Qatar job for oil and gas construction project, share your CV in Seagull Qatar 2026 @gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have another Qatar job. It's an online interview, and last requirement for this, they're looking for the position are as follow. They're looking for rigging foreman, scaffolding foreman, structure foreman, then welding foreman, hydro test in charge, then CTCA inspector, QAQC ENI inspector, QAQC mechanical inspector, QAQC painting inspector, QAQC scaffolding inspector, QAQC seal and structure inspector. They're also looking for lead QA/QC mechanic, manager construction in electrical background, manager engineering, manager preservation, then mental health counselor, senior manager construction mechanic, senior supervisor in safety, superintendent equipment, superintendent instrumentation, superintendent painting, superintendent rigging, superintendent warehouse. They're also looking for supervisor roles in mechanical rigging and scaffolding and welding supervisor. Remember, all the candidates on the given above should hold degree or diploma in engineering field, plus Gulf experience in oil and gas construction project is mandatory. Free food and accommodation is provided by the company, and the candidate who are interested in all this requirement hold construction background experience. Share your CV in Seagull Qatar 2026 @gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have another last requirement for Qatar job only. It's an online interview in progress. They are looking for HR admin officer, senior HR admin officer, then environmental coordinator, HSC training coordinator, interface coordinator, permit coordinator, site coordinator. In engineering field, they are looking for field engineering, piping test package engineer, planning, painting, and insulation engineer, then planning piping engineer, planning structure engineer, project control engineer, QAQC ENI engineer, QAQC mechanical engineer, QAQC painting engineer, QAQC piping engineer, rigging engineer, scheduling engineer, telecommunication engineer, welding engineer. For foreman, they're looking for instrumentation and painting foreman. Remember, candidate who are interested in this opportunity, client is looking for candidate who hold Gulf experience or degree or diploma in engineering field. Engineers, the candidate who want to apply for engineer role, for that degree is at most important in the respected field. Candidate who are interested in this field, share your CV in job.seagallinternational@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code for more details. Okay, so it's the same requirement. Candidate who are in Chennai side can also share your CV can also visit to a Chennai office, or you can also share your CV to seagullch.qatar@gmail.com. So candidate nearby Vizag location can also visit a Vizag office, or you can also share your CV for same requirement, Qatar job. It's Seagull Vizag CVs @gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so candidate nearby Cochin office, you can also visit our Cochin office for this more details, or you can share your CV to them. You can also share your CV on the given email address, legalcoaching@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above for Qatar job. Okay, so candidate nearby Kolkata, share your CV to Seagull Kolkata CVs@gmail.com, or you can scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have another opportunity for NPDC, the Abu Dhabi project. They are looking for oil and candidate who hold experience in oil and gas construction projects. It's a client interview on 13th of April in Chennai office. Then they're looking for electrical senior engineer structure or mechanic and piping, mechanical engineer static and rotary, piping engineer. Then they're looking for splonging or PRS CAD particular certifications, structure engineer, piping engineer with LIA certification, quantity super surveyor, structure mechanic or piping background, engineer NDT level 3, QAQC engineer structure mechanic and piping, QAQC engineering static and rotating equipment, QAQC engineering structure, QAQC engineering piping, and the QAQC inspector for civil or structure or mechanical or piping. Then inspector in POUT, like certification ASNP level 2 or POUT certification. Lead engineer QAQC structure, mechanic and piping. Senior quantity surveyor, they are looking for structure, mechanic or piping background. Inspector QAQC welding. All candidates should hold degree and diploma in engineering field with Gulf experience is mandatory. Candidate should hold oil and gas construction project. Attractive salary plus free food accommodation. Candidate who are nearby to a Chennai office, visit a Chennai office. It's a client interview. Great opportunity for you to land in a Abu Dhabi for this job role. Candidate who are interested in this opportunity, share your CV to seagullchennai.info@gmail.com. Share, and you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, that's it from my end. Now, Mr. Dinesh sir will be explaining further requirements.
Thank you, Aldi, for inviting me for today's live session. And okay, hi, my name is Dinesh. I'm working as an assistant manager operation in Seagull office. So we can start our session. Okay, today once we have okay. Okay, so we have a new requirement for Bahrain jobs. It's a petrochemical oil and gas construction project. It's totally free requirement, long-term project. Client interview, online interview shortly. We will let you know the date and time. We are looking for a proposal manager. Salary is already mentioned in there. 2,500 to 3,000 BD. It's salary range given by the client. And whoever want to apply for this post, please visit to our office or you can share your CV. Better you can scan the QR code. You can apply for this particular post. Thank you. So next we have a Russia requirement. It's a long-term project. Manpower required sub-building project following positions. Client interview on 13th April at Kochi office. We are looking for structural fabricator, measurement marker, and a platter, structural fitter, assistant structural fitter. Salary is only mentioned on your screen. And all candidates should have new shipyard building experience, free food, accommodation, transportation, each and everything you will get from the company. Please visit our Kochi branch or you can share your CV at seagullkochi@gmail.com or you can share your CV on WhatsApp number also. Same requirement, it's only the interview date is on 4th April at Mumbai office. And you can share your CV at seagullrussia2026@gmail.com or you can come for the shortlisting process. So we have another requirement from Bahrain, and it's a petrochemical oil and gas project. Immediate departure, long-term project. Client interview shortly, and we are looking for electrical substance testing and commissioning engineering. Salary is 800 to 1,000 BD. And please visit to our office, or you can share your CV at seagullbahrain2026@gmail.com, or you can scan this QR code also. So we have another requirement from UAE, a leading ship maintenance project providing marine and oil and gas industry. Urgent requirement, long-term project, immediate departure. Virtual interview shortly. We are looking for mechanical supervisor, mechanical lead hand, and mechanical rigger, and mechanical mechanics, and hydraulics, piping, tube bending, HVAC supervisor, pipe fitting supervisor, electrical lead hand, and steel supervisor. And it's for Vizag only. Whoever is staying in nearby Vizag, please visit to our Vizag branch, or you can share simply QR code and you can share your CV at Seagull Vizag, cvs@gmail.com. Same requirement. It's for Mumbai only. The contact number and mail ID is changed on this particular artwork. You can share your CV at seagullua2026@gmail.com, and the contact number is different. Please visit to our Mumbai office also for shortlisting process. So we have another requirement from Saudi Arabia, a leading oil and gas contracting company. It's totally free requirement, long-term project. We are looking for piping QC inspector, Aramco and non-Aramco candidate can apply. We require 20 numbers, and second requirement is for welding QC inspector. Same, Aramco, non-Aramco candidate can apply. Third one is mechanical QC. So please visit to our office, any branches or Mumbai head office. You can share your CV at seagullksa2025@gmail.com, or you can call on this given contact number. You can scan the QR code. You can apply directly on online from your home. Thank you. Next is for Saudi Arabia, and it's a virtual interview. And we are looking for business development manager candidate with good English communication and presentation skill, and Gulf experience preferable. And candidate must have 5 years experience in their respective field. But you will get attractive salary package with free food and accommodation. Shortlisting process right now. Please visit to our Mumbai branch, or you can share your CV at seagullksa2026@gmail.com, or you can call on this given contact number. Okay, so we have a new requirement from UAE, a leading oil and gas company, long-term project, and Seagull selection right now. It's shortlisting process right now, and client interview on 6 April at Mumbai office. We are looking for uh, ये सीगल ऑफिस में, मुंबई में ऑफिस में इंटरव्यू होने वाला है 6 तारीख को, 6 अप्रैल को, मीन्स मंडे को। और हमको इसके लिए चाहिए मैकेनिकल फिटर 30 नंबर्स चाहिए, रिगर 10 नंबर्स चाहिए, मैकेनिकल सुपरवाइजर 5 नंबर्स चाहिए। सो ऑयल एंड गैस का एक्सपीरियंस जिसके पास भी है और जिसको भी जाना है इस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी में, वो प्लीज़ ऑफिस में आके कल आपका शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग CV करवा लीजिए, या तो मंडे को आप डायरेक्टली इंटरव्यू के लिए आ सकते हो। और ये मुंबई ऑफिस का एड्रेस ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर भी दिया हुआ है, एंड मेल ID भी दिया हुआ है। प्लीज़ आज आप CV आपका फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए seagull2026@gmail.com पे, या तो कॉल भी कर सकते हो। मंडे को इसका इंटरव्यू होने वाला है सीगल ऑफिस मुंबई में। थैंक यू। So next requirements for Kuwait jobs, one of a leading oil and gas company looking for their outbound project. Okay, we are it's long-term requirement and telephonic interview. We are looking for precasting supervisor, production supervisor, storeyard supervisor, fabrication foreman, fabrication preparation foreman, storeyard foreman, casting foreman, steel fixer foreman, lab technician, steel modular fabricator, welder mason, steel fixer, preparation fitter, and rigger, labor, general helper, एंड फैब्रिकेटर। तो जिसको भी इस पर्टिकुलर पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई करना है, प्लीज़ ऑफिस में आप आ सकते हो। फ्री फूड, अकोमोडेशन, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सब कुछ कंपनी के साइट से प्रोवाइडेड है। या तो आप अपना CV फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए seagull2026@gmail.com पे, या तो आप कॉल भी कर सकते हो दिए गए नंबर पे। Okay, next is for KSA long-term project, a leading oil and gas company, virtual interview shortly, and we are looking for a QC piping inspector, Aramco approved. Salary is mentioned on your screen, and welding QC inspector, Aramco approved. Mechanical QC inspector, coating painting QC inspector, and TIG&ARC welder, multi welder, 5G, 6G, and pipe fabricator, mechanical technician. सब कैटेगरी का सैलरी यहाँ पे मेंशन किया हुआ है, कितने नंबर्स क्वांटिटी चाहिए, कितने घंटे का ड्यूटी है, कितनी आवर्स का ड्यूटी है, फ्री फूड अकोमोडेशन सब कुछ कंपनी से मिलेगा, ओवर टाइम भी है। एंड आप ऑफिस में विजिट कर सकते हो, या तो फिर आपका CV फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हो seagullksa2026@gmail.com, और या तो कॉल भी कर सकते हो और स्कैन भी कर सकते हो QR कोड आप। Okay, next is for UAE jobs, urgent requirement, long-term project. Online interview shortly. We are looking for senior electrical technician. Salary is 3,080 to 4,080 based on your experience, and you will get employment visa, accommodation, transportation is provided by company. Long-term project for 2 years. Leave circle already mentioned as per UAE labor law, and mode of interview, virtual interview, and only candidate who can apply who have holding the passport of ECNR passport only. And shortlisting process right now, you can share your CV at seagullUAE2026@gmail.com, or you can share your CV on WhatsApp also. It's all our mentioned number is on same number. You can share your CV on WhatsApp also. Thank you. Next is for Saudi Arabia jobs and urgent requirement, long-term project, immediate departure. Online client interview shortly. We will let you know the date and timing in the next session. We are looking for production manager, QC manager, and QA manager, supervisor, quality and inventory controller, warehouse manager, logistic manager, salesman, and electrical and argon welder, mechanical, plumber, technician, boiler and steam technician. Salary is on your screen. Please visit to our Mumbai office, or you can share your CV at seagullksa2026@gmail.com, or you can simply scan the QR code, or you can call on this contact number also. Thank you. Next is for Saudi Arabia jobs in oil and gas company. Urgent requirement, free requirement. No need to pay anything. It's a long-term project, immediate departure, client interview shortly, and we are looking for radiation protection personal technician, radiography testing technician, multi technician, UT, RT, PT, MT, POUT, PM. And second is one position material technician, and ultrasonic testing and spot weld technician also, and safe rate technician, diploma mechanical bachelor and ASNDT level 2, all candidate minimum 3 years experience, attractive salary, free for accommodation, transportation you will get from this company, and working hours 8 hours, 6 day a week, overtime applicable. Please visit to our Mumbai office, or you can share your CV, or you can call on this given contact number. Thank you. Okay, so next is for Saudi Arabia and oil and gas company, free food long-term project, and urgent requirement, client will be shortly. We are looking for estimation and cost control engineer, three numbers we required right now. And department project estimation, location is Saudi Arabia, looking for local transfer of candidate in KSA also. Rest details mentioned on your screen. You will get attractive salary, free for accommodation, transportation, working hours 8 hours, 6 day a week, overtime applicable. Please visit to our Mumbai office, or you can share your CV at seagullksa2026@gmail.com, and you can call on this given contact number also. Okay, so I think so. I read it earlier. Same account for Saudi Arabia. Only for its Baroda location. Whoever staying in nearby Baroda, please visit to our Mumbai, Baroda office, or you can share your CV at mohammad.nadeem@seagulhr.com, or you can call on this given contact number. Okay, so next is for Uganda, Africa, East Africa, a leading shipbuilding company, vessel construction, new building project, and hiring now for shipbuilding project manager, and you can see the salary is mentioned USD 8,000 to 10,000 per month. Location is Uganda, and duration is 20 to 24 per month. Okay, and rest details already mentioned on your screen. Please visit to our Mumbai office, or you can share your CV at seagulleurope2026@gmail.com, or you can call on this given contact number also. ओके, एक न्यू रिक्वायरमेंट है यूएई जॉब्स के लिए, यूएई कंपनी के लिए। अभी शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग चल रहा है, और लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोजेक्ट है ये। डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू है सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ अप्रैल 26 मीन्स इस महीने में इंटरव्यू का चालू है इस कंपनी का। हमको कंस्ट्रक्शन हेल्पर चाहिए 30 नंबर्स, और जब भी आप इंटरव्यू देंगे, अगर आप उस टाइम पास हो जाते हैं, वो सेम टाइम पे पास हो जाओगे हेल्पर के लिए, तो कोई इशू नहीं है। आपको ऑन द स्पॉट ऑफर लेटर मिलेगा। मेडिकल के लिए भी आप सेम डे जा सकते हैं, एंड डिपार्चर आपका 1 वीक में हो जाएगा। कोई भी कैंडिडेट अप्लाई कर सकता है, ईसीआर पासपोर्ट वाला भी, ईसीएनआर पासपोर्ट वाला भी, कोई भी। और एज लिमिट आपके सामने मेंशन किया हुआ है 22 मीन्स 22 से लेके 40 साल तक कैंडिडेट कोई भी अप्लाई कर सकता है। आप ऑफिस में आ जाइए, मुंबई ऑफिस में, या तो आप कॉल कर सकते हो, या तो आपका सीवी फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हो seagullui2026@gmail.com पे, या तो आप सिंपली आप क्यूआर कोड स्कैन कर सकते हो। इफ पॉसिबल है आप लोग को, तो बेटर आप लोग कॉल कर लीजिए, हम आपको गाइड कर देंगे। थैंक यू। Okay, so next is for Saudi Arabia long-term project, a leading company in Riyadh. It's a virtual interview shortly. We will let you know the date and timing. We are looking for accountant, admin, and HR support executive, site engineer, and business development. And you will get attractive salary, transportation, accommodation, transportation, each and everything from this company. Candidates should have minimum 5 years experience in their respective field, and shortlisting process right now. Please visit to our Mumbai office, or you can share a CV at seagullksa2026@gmail.com, or you can call on this given contact number, or better you can scan the QR code simply, and our team will call you once you get shortlisted. ओके, सुखविंदर सिंह, रिगर फोरमैन की रिक्वायरमेंट है हमारे पास, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया। प्लीज आपका सीवी फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए, और या तो फिर किसी भी नंबर पे आप कॉल कर सकते हो, हमारी टीम आपका जरूर से हेल्प करेगी। थैंक यू। खुर्शीद आलम, यस, इलेक्ट्रिशियन का रिक्वायरमेंट हमारे पास है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया यूएई के लिए है। प्लीज आप कलकत्ता ब्रांच में जा सकते हो, या तो फिर दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हो। Hussain Gulam, HSC officer. Yes, Mr. Hussain, we have a requirement for HSC officer right now. Please share your CV. Our team will check your CV. If you get shortlisted, you will receive a call from our side. Prakash and scaffolding operator. Yes, Mr. Prakash, please share your CV. हमारे पास रिक्वायरमेंट है अभी स्काफोल्डिंग मैनेजर के लिए, सुपरडेंट के लिए। आपका CV फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हो, हमारी टीम आपका जरूर से हेल्प करेगी। Any other question?
Okay, thank you so much, Dinesh sir. So here we are. It's a okay. Here we are. It's a live end here. So it's a our head office is in Mumbai. So sorry for that. Our office is in Mumbai. Is in Marol. So candidate who nearby Mumbai office can come and connect us. Or you can also share your CV and resume at seagullhr.com, or you can also contact the numbers given above. Our branches are there in Cochin and Chennai as well. In Cochin and in Vadodara and Delhi. And we also have branches in Vizag and Kolkata. That's it from our end. It's Friday Live ends. The candidate who are interested want to share your CV, you can scan your QR code, share your CV on the given requirement, and we'll see you to the next live session on Friday. Bye.